Hello, my dear students. I'm Pallavi Paul, the teacher of Techno India Group Public School. So, I am your social science teacher. I welcome you all to the social science class. Today, we will start chapter 3 of social science from class 4. The name of the chapter is Plains, Desert, and Islands in India. So, now you are going to learn about the physical divisions of India. So, in the physical divisions of India, we are having four important divisions. First one is the northern plains, then the third desert, then the coastal plains, and lastly the islands. Now, in the northern plains, we are having different type of river basins and also life structure of the people, right? In different type of river basins, we are having Ganga basin, Brahmaputra basin, Satluj basin. And for living the life, the people are growing different type of food crops and harvest festivals are also celebrated. In the third desert, almost no rainfall is found, and they are getting water from the canals. Sand dunes and oases can be found in third desert. Camels, cactus, and bubbles can be found, and nomad people live here. In the coastal plains is divided by two parts: eastern coastal plains and western coastal plains. There, agriculture and fishing are important occupations. Many tourists from different places come to visit coastal plains. Lagoons along the coastal belt can be found. Now, the island. We are having Andaman and Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep Island, and Lakshadweep Islands are known as Coral Island as well. Okay, so next, Northern Plains. Now let's talk about the Northern Plains. The youngest physiographic feature in India is the Northern Plain. They lie to the south of the Shivaliks, separated by the Himalayan frontal front. So here in this picture you can see the orange colored zone is the Northern Plain of India. Third desert, also called Great Indian Desert, arid region of rolling sand hills on the Indian subcontinent. So, third desert is the arid region. It is located partly in Rajasthan state. So, here you can see in this picture the red colored part is third desert. Now, what is a coastal line? A coastal plain is flat, low-lying land adjacent to a sea coast. So here you can see in this picture, we are having Utkal coast, Andhra coast, then Malabar coast, Konkan coast, etc. Now what is island? An island is any piece of subcontinent land that is surrounded by water. So here you can see in this picture our India, the southern part of India, three parts surrounded by water, right? And also the Andaman Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island is there, which is surrounded by water. Now you are going to learn about the northern plains. The northern plains refer to the large flat region at the foothills of the Himalayas, stretching from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. These plains lie in the path of the rivers originating in the Himalayas. The rivers carry soil, small pieces of rocks, and silt and deposit them in the plains. Okay. The fine soil or silt deposited in the plains is called alluvium, which is very fertile and good for growing various crops. So, this much today. Read your book properly. Thank you so much, class.